Keeping quiet. Making dialogues.
In the last class, we matched pictures to words. Now, we will match them to sentences and make dialogues. I can't hear you.
Come here. Wait, I am coming. Teacher, I don't think any of the sentences fit here, so I changed it a little. Are you ready? I'm sorry, I am not ready.
Excellent, Sameer.
I can also say, yes, I am.
Yes, of course.
I don't like it. Really?
This card is for you. I don't like it.
That's correct too. But it is not nice to say that, right?
Did you read this book? Yes, it's very good. Teacher, I added yes.
It's correct, with or without yes.
What's wrong? Nothing. Everything is fine.
Good.
Where are you? I don't know.
Teacher, can I say, what is the capital of Gujarat? I don't know. Certainly.
Or how do you make pulao? I don't know.
Sure, Ahmad. That's very good.
Did you read this book? Let me think.
Are you crazy? Excuse me?
But teacher, I have another idea. Are you crazy? No, I am not. You are crazy.
This card is for you. What a big surprise!
Good, children. Next class, we will make our own dialogues.